93 Dead Dinosaurs. And then, you know, like the vlogs definitely helped. 93 Dead Dinosaurs. Name that YouTuber who says it. 93 Dead Dinosaurs. Now, if there aren't a shite ton of the correct answer in that comment, then y'all really need to step up y'all's games. Comment section better have, well, I guess I'll just tell you all the answer in case you don't know, so y'all can check out his channel. It's over there.
I'm gonna dedicate this song to Blockhead Moto. 93 dead dinosaurs make my bike go.
Man, you guys really caught on to that. Hey, special announcement. Check this out. That's right. We now have 93 Dead Dinosaur t-shirts. If you want to get your engine roaring, be sure to go check out the shop. Select your size. There's a couple different color options. We got it in black and colored and then black and gray as well. Yeah, a little Blockhead gas tank on the back. Yeah, it's just a design I came up with. People really seem to like the 93 Dead Dinosaurs thing, man. Just a stupid thing I said one video. And for some reason you guys decided to remember it and hold on to it, and now you think of it whenever you're at the gas pump. So, thanks, exploding liquid dinosaurs. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, by the way, this discount code will be active for like a week or so, but you guys can get 10% off of your order if you guys want to go ahead and order. So discount code right here. Boom. Use it. It'll work for everything in the shop. "93 Dead Dinosaurs." I gotta come up with some kind of song for that. It was Bike and Bird was singing it like 99 love balloons. Oh, 93 Dead Dinosaurs instead. 93 Dead Dinosaurs. Fill her up and engine roars. Sorry, dude. Let's see on a Triumph Speed Triple. Oh man, what did I just say? I forgot it already. 93 Dead Dinosaurs. Fill her up and make it roar. That's it, man. That's the tune. Oh man, then we need a second verse. 93 dead dinosaurs, fill her up and make a roar. I don't know. If you guys come up with a jingle, like those are the first two lines, right? And you guys come up with like, say, 2 to 4 more lines, whichever one I like the most, I will send a 93 Dead Dinosaurs shirt to you for free. So those are the first 2 lines. Line 1, 93 Dead Dinosaurs. Line 2, fill her up and make a roar. Then we need another line that says da 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 da. And then another one da 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 da. And then we'll have a chorus. If you want to come up with a chorus too, then cool. Anyways, you guys post up in the comments below. Whoever comes up with the catchiest shit, I will send you a 93 Dead Dinosaurs t-shirt for free. Alright, post up, put your mind to work, come up with a catchy 93 Dead Dinosaurs jingle, and you could win a free Blockhead 93 Dead Dinosaurs t-shirt. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Thumbs up, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon while you're over there so it'll send you notifications of future uploads. Be part of the notification squad. Till next time, ride safe out there. You guys stay vigilant, man. Keep an eye on these crazies out here. These cagers. I'll catch y'all later. Come on, old white car. You can do it. You can do it. Pull ahead. Pull ahead. Come on. I believe in you. Yes. Alright. Deuces.